Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Doug and I wanted to talk a little bit more fitted caps today. And there's something I've been talking about a lot recently. My last video was about this, and this is the whole side patch, colored undervisor, random colorways for different teams. It's a huge trend in fitted caps right now, and one of the things I just recently noticed is that there has been a very quiet entry into this space by Lids, Fanatics, and the major players in fitted cap world. So I was just kind of going through the Lids website recently in the past couple of days, and was looking at my local team, the Detroit Tigers, for any new caps, anything coming out. Honestly, I was looking for any hint towards spring training or batting practice caps, and I came across a whole series of caps under each team that started to feature contrasting colored undervisors, some interesting changed colorways for those teams, and also an increasing presence of side patches on these caps. So it seems that Lids, Fanatics, they are following into this market because it is such a huge trend. So going back to the Tigers example, first, I saw an olive-toned cap with a camouflage undervisor. Next, I saw a couple of different alternate colorways, and both of these featured a side patch. One was for the Tiger Stadium, the years of service that Tiger Stadium enjoyed. Another one was tied to a World Series year. As I poked around for other teams, I started to see these entries, and these seem to creep into the Lids website, at least, with no apparent fanfare. So I never saw a release, never got an email, never saw a splash page or anything like that. And it's just really interesting to see that the big vendors of fitted caps are following into this space that was created by some of the smaller boutique and online vendors that have kind of carved out this space in the past several months. Now, even a couple of weeks before discovering these MLB caps with these newer features, I also happened to come across some NBA caps for not all NBA teams, but a select few, maybe 15 or so. They all had pink undervisors. So that was cashing in on another huge trend that was really started by Hat Club and has been going strong for many, many months now with the pink undervisors. So it's just very interesting to see that Lids, Fanatics, etc. have moved into the same market space that's been created by these smaller vendors leading the way. Now, there are a couple of benefits for when a larger vendor like Lids gets into this game, because I think that it will ultimately provide better pricing for us as cap fans. If you really like collecting this kind of cap, I've noticed that a few of these caps are still under the $40 mark. So even with a side patch, even with the colored UV, I'm still seeing some clock in at about $39. I think they're going to be immune from the regular sales for a little while, but still, that's a lot better. In most cases, that's about $7, $6 better than a standard offer with a side patch. In some cases, it's about $11 cheaper, because I've seen many that go for $50, and I talked about that in a recent video a couple of weeks ago. Overall, I think we're about to get better choices, more widespread choices of this kind of cap design, but also better prices at which we can buy those and collect them. So I think that's a welcome improvement. Now, the other thing that can be said is that by and large, I think that Lids, Fanatics, Fans Edge, etc., which are all really part of the same Fanatics umbrella, including MLB Shop and the other major league shops. But by and large, at each of those branded sites, you're getting a better loyalty program than you would at some of these smaller boutique vendors. Occasionally, you can get small percentages off at some of the smaller vendors of caps, but I think with these big ones, you've got a lot better chance to accumulate points the more you buy. I'm still a fan of the Lids Access Pass, so that when you go to the store, you can get your 20% off, and you get a code every month to get 20% off. Now, on items like this is where it can really come in handy, because they're not putting items like this on regular sale. So Taking advantage of the loyalty programs and better prices from the start is a couple of benefits that we can enjoy from these bigger vendors getting involved in this part of fitted caps. So if the cap designs are fresh and the prices are more reasonable than what we've been able to find recently with some of the smaller vendors, then I think this is a welcome development. The only reason why I might have a little bit of mixed emotions on this is the fact that generally I root for small businesses. So some of these smaller online vendors and storefronts in places like New York City, I really root for them because they're a small business. And they have kind of led the way in terms of innovating and kind of carving out this space in the market. I always feel a little ambivalent when a big company kind of invades that space where somebody else has blazed the trail. So that's why I'm a little on the fence in terms of is this a good thing or bad thing for fitted caps? At the end of the day, I think cap collectors who are serious about this and interested in these kinds of caps and maybe it's fresh, more exciting, I think it's still a good thing that you're getting more choices now at better prices. So on balance, I think it's probably a good thing for cap collectors. But there's still that feeling like, man, it would be nice if some of the smaller vendors continue to be rewarded for their work and kind of paving the way here. So anyways, I'm still a minimalist at heart, so I will be looking for mostly the colored undervisors to see more of those. Again, I like a good side patch every now and then, but as you've heard me say in many videos now, I don't need them on every cap, so I'm not going to buy a ton of these. But I do like the directions they are going with the colorways and the colored undervisors and an occasional side patch that is well chosen and looks good on the cap. So anyways, that's pretty much all I had to share. I've always got links down below in the description that will take you to some of my best videos for editing your fitted caps. And other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.